Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Hey, we're going to finally bring some motorhomes, and if you like seeing motorhomes, we'll try to do some every now and then. But I know we do them on the short, so we're going to do a full-length video on this Jayco Redhawk model number 24B. So this is a 2026 model, and as you can see, it is sitting on a Ford chassis with the 7.3 Godzilla motor. That's what I'm talking about. The length on this one is 26 feet 8 inches. The gross vehicle weight is 14,500. Now the cargo capacity on this one is 2,733.
Yeah, it's like you
and
said.
I think you got a towing capacity of around 7,500 pounds, so you can tow a...
Yeah, so yeah, you can, if you got a smaller car you want to pull behind it. Like you said, we don't normally do a lot of motorhomes, but this one caught our eye, so we thought, hey, let's bring it to you and see what you think. Like you said, it is on a Ford chassis. And this one is one of those that's not so big that you feel like you're driving a freight train around. All right, a little bit of storage right there. Got some storage here and here. Do we know the awning length?
16 foot.
16. All right. Now the towing that we were talking about, it's right back here. If you can see the numbers on it, right there. This one is going to give you a ladder so you can access your roof. It is going to be, I don't know if the backup camera is already installed, but I know it's going to be prepped. You're going to have a Swintex slide over here, outside shower. Then you do have a little bigger storage area on this side.
See if I can get to the... Nope, I can't. Generator is right here.
Generator's there.
Yep.
Yeah,
Can't
and there
really
is
get to it.
another compartment here. It's a little hard to get to.
That is a lock.
Oh, it's locked. Well, they are a little hard to get to under the slide, but it is
Hey,
there.
do us a favor. Get up in there and see what you think.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I think it's just like driving a truck. So,
I don't think you'll have a problem, will you?
no, absolutely not. I mean, it's on a Ford, so if you've ever driven a Ford truck or a Ford van, especially with this console area, it's going to be just like driving in a cattle line, just a little bit different.
Oh, all right.
All right.
We may have just come up with 1,000 more subscribers since you got on camera.
Yeah, right. Great rear view mirrors there. Like I said, it is an E450 chassis. So let's go see what the inside looks like.
Go ahead.
Do have JBL speakers. Let me point those out real quick. Coming up in here, give you a quick look around. Again, this is going to be one of those. It's a little bit,
Oh, wow.
a little bit shorter, a little bit more compact, but it's all nice and open and gives you some great space. So you got your captain's chairs up there. Again, your traditional.
Well, I can't turn around in here.
I don't know if they turn away. Anyway, but you got your traditional van-like dash. You are going to have your overhead sleeping bunk up here.
There you go.
Yeah. And it already has a TV and a sound bar in place. And right over there in that corner. How cool. They give you a cup holder. You got some USB charging. You got power. On this side you have another cup holder, some little bungee storage, and a compartment there. So that is great if you have
We've
kid
got the
with
curtain.
you. Yeah, and a curtain for some privacy.
Cool.
Very nice. They are going to give you your AC unit right up here.
You got a little,
Storage above the door.
oh, your control panel is right here. Other switches and awnings and
Power outlets. And yeah. As you can see, heating's going to be in your cabinetry in here. So here in your kitchen area, storage up above your sink. We get a nice single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. Great under sink storage. Can get your trash can in there if you need it. Spot for sponges and scrubbies.
3 nice drawers.
Now this is not going to have solid surface in here, but they give you a ginormous microwave and storage up above it. And something that you don't always see in a motorhome is an oven. So
Yeah.
you've got your 3-burner cooktop with an oven. I was actually very happy to see an oven in it. 12-volt compressor fridge in here. Okay. Alright, let's turn around. This is going to give you a really nice U-shaped dinette. Got some storage up above it. It's not strut assisted, so just don't let it hit you. Lights.
Oh, I love the
Yeah,
shades.
pleated shades. I love those.
Ooh.
You can turn the table however you need it.
You know, we don't normally get to look at motorhomes, but here at Great American, they've got a great selection.
Yeah, we are at the location just outside of Tupelo. Technically, it's Sherman, Mississippi, if you're looking it up. Really good. Definitely need to check them out. All right, we're going to move into this. I don't know. I guess this is your pantry area.
Pantry.
That is amazing
Yeah.
right there.
I like this.
How it's such a deep storage, but then it pulls out so that you easy access to it. Big drawers down here.
Ah,
Yeah, there's your turntable, microwave. Then
and yeah,
yeah, you've got a cushion there for your dinette if you need to make it into additional sleeping area. Nice deep shelves right
this
there.
is really good. I like this.
This is actually a really good layout. Again, if you want a C-class, it's not just huge, but gives you open space. Now, the bed is going to have to bend to get the slide in, but they give you a little storage right there.
So in other words, it's the bendy bed.
It's a bendy bed, so you will have to adjust it a little bit.
Got some storage across the top.
And again, pleated shades.
Oh, I want to
Now
look at
this is what I
this.
absolutely love.
Wow.
So yeah, at the very back you have this awesome hanging space. And of course they give you that ladder in there. And then you have these dresser drawers at the very back.
Which are super deep too.
Yeah. So then if you need a little bit of privacy, you've got a curtain here. And that's one of the things that makes this one feel so airy is that you don't have a wall
Yeah.
separating everything off, so it doesn't feel so claustrophobic.
It's well open. That's
Yeah, it's
that's what
open.
you're getting at.
Yeah, and then your bathroom.
Well, let's check this out.
Yeah. Now at 6 feet tall, he's got
I've got plenty of room in here.
plenty of room. Yeah, so you can
Let's see what we got.
got a skylight.
30.
Let's say 30 by 36.
Yes, ma'am. You're right on it.
Yeah, and there is a bar hanging in there, so if you go somewhere, you've got swimsuits or wet towels you need to hang up, you can do that. And there's not going to be solid surface in the bathroom either, but pretty nice size medicine cabinet with a mirror. You do
And
have a
one
window that actually opens.
Let's see what we got under here.
Got some storage underneath.
Ah,
Yeah, little place where you could store your soap and your toothbrushes. There is some power right there, so you can charge your phone on the throne.
well, there you go. I like that.
Absolutely. Got a couple of hooks up here. Now this is going to have a plastic foot flush toilet that does kind of keep some of your weight down in here.
Yeah.
It doesn't have designated linen, so we can't give it the Gojan plunger, but it's a nice little bathroom.
Yes, it is. And you haven't got to say that in a long time.
I have not said that in a long time.
Charge your phone while you're on the
While you're
throne.
on the throne.
That's really neat.
That is my catchphrase.
That's right.
I am going to patent that. All right, so hey, what do you guys think about this C-Class here?
All right, everybody. If you like this, what are we in? It's Redhawk.
Yeah, Jayco Redhawk.
Jayco Redhawk. So if you like this one, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, let us know if you want to see some more of these C-Class, or they've got some A-Class and some Super Cs.
Super Cs.
So let us know what you would like to see. We will try to do it. Thanks, everybody.